Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is stock analysis for May 20th by Hanmant. This video is purely educational purpose and it may be a supportive video if you have the same view on the stock. Always follow risk to reward ratio before you take up any particular trade. Friends, let us observe some stocks for May 20th. The first stock here is Amara Raja Batteries. Amara Raja Batteries, we can consider the target as 823.45 paisa and the stop loss would be 785.60 paisa. In this case, if we observe the stock in 1 hour time frame, we could see here, this is 1 hour time frame, we could see here it has made a low over here and it is trying to move in the upward direction, and it has retraced little bit to this high of this particular candle. Here we can see the top of this particular candle or this particular candle. Now if we just spot over here, we could see today for much of the time it took support over here, right? If I place a mark over here, then it has made a kind of support for much of the time in today's session. So it has high probability to make a high of 823.45 paisa. Friends, the target is most probable when you carry forward this trade for 2 to 3 trading sessions, and if you want to consider purely on intraday basis, then you can take up either 1% as a target, because if you observe the risk to reward ratio over here, it will be more than it will be in the ratio of more than 1:2, right? Suppose let me consider here from the closing point of this, right? From here if I indicate, the target is projected to be around 3.3%, right? And here the stop loss that I marked is 1.4%, right? So based on this, I marked as in a ratio of more than 1:2 for risk reward. So you consider in this pattern, and if your target is just 1%, then try to follow the similar rules, right? So here this is indicated, generally the stocks that are indicated may attain the target within 2 or 3 sessions, right? So the next stock is Zee Entertainment. Zee Entertainment is moving in this particular range of around 187 to 198. So as it has made a bottom over here, now let us just watch it in close. See here, the previous bottom is here. As compared to this, now the bottom is still lower. Now as compared to this particular bottom, here the bottom is high. Now this bottom is high as compared to the previous bottom. Now even today also, if you watch it, the low that it has made before closing in this particular candle is higher than the previous low over here. So it is trying to make a higher high in this pattern. So the probable target in this case is 198.45 paisa. We can consider the target to be around 198.45 paisa, and the stop loss we can consider it to be around 189. 189 will be the stop loss. This red mark indicates the stop loss, and the value for stop loss is 189 I considered, and the target will be 198.45 paisa, right? So stop loss is 189 and target is 198.45 paisa. Now let me consider the next stock. This is L&T. L&T, if it makes a bottom, then it may retrace to a lower value of the top of this candle, right? It can move to the top of this candle, right? And the value is around 1399 or nearly 1400, right? Now already it has made a low of the same value today, so it is taking support over here, and it can move to a high of previous high, that is 1441. It can make a high of 1441, which I considered based on the previous high level. See here in this candle it has touched a high of 1441. So now I considered, as it is moving in this particular range, actually I can consider the stop loss to be around 1398, but for safe side I considered it to be 1395, and it has high probability to take up this target of 1441. Friends, as I expressed my view, it may take 2 to 3 sessions also sometimes, but if you want to take up a small percentage of 1%, then you can exit the trade with the same percentage, because here if you watch it from this closing level, if I mark here, the percentage of profit is around marked as around 2.8, right? And the stop loss is placed as 0.45. So you can understand here how I consider the risk to reward ratio. Now the next stock is Tata Motors. See here, Tata Motors, for the last few sessions it is making a kind of sideways pattern in this range, right? And it has touched a bottom very close to this level. See here, we can consider the bottom of this candle here, right, as 310, and I considered very close to 310 as the stop loss, and now we can expect the stock to make a up move, and it can move up to a level of 334.75 paisa, nearly 335 we can consider, right? This will be the target. Again, if we check the risk to reward ratio from the closing state, if we mark here, now the percentage is around 6.6 will be the target, and the stop loss would be, let me consider the stop loss here to the bottom of this line, and here the percentage we could see here is 1.29. Friends, here the risk to reward ratio, again it is more than 1:2, right? We can consider this as when we take up any particular trade, we need to frame up the risk to reward ratio like this, right? So let us consider here, if you want to exit the trade within the same day, then you take up 1% as the profit, which is possible, right? So friends, if you like this, please do subscribe and share and support my channel. Thank you.